Welcome back to Britonics Media, where today we are talking about how anyone can start selling handmade products online through platforms like Etsy and other handmade marketplaces. Many people want to turn their creativity into income, but they are not always sure where to begin or how to present their work professionally. This tutorial walks through the full journey, starting from choosing the right product idea all the way to building a loyal customer base. Selling handmade items is not only about making something beautiful, it is also about telling a story that connects with buyers. When customers understand the care and effort behind a product, they feel more confident making a purchase. This guide is designed for beginners who want clear steps without confusion. The first step in becoming a handmade seller is choosing a product that reflects your skills and interests. Handmade marketplaces are filled with jewelry, art prints, candles, clothing, and personalized gifts, so finding your own direction matters. Think about what you enjoy creating consistently, because long-term success depends on sustainability. A product that feels enjoyable to make will help you stay motivated during slow periods. It is also helpful to look at current trends without copying other sellers. Original ideas stand out more and help build a recognizable brand over time. Before opening a shop, spend time understanding your target customer. Ask yourself who would buy your product and why they would choose it over others. Some customers look for personalized gifts, while others care more about design or eco-friendly materials. Understanding this helps you decide pricing, packaging, and presentation. It also makes writing product descriptions easier because you are speaking directly to a specific audience. A clear customer focus often leads to stronger sales and better reviews. Quality plays a major role in handmade selling, especially online where buyers cannot touch the product. Materials should be reliable and safe, and the finishing details should look professional. Even small improvements in packaging or presentation can change how customers perceive value. Taking time to test your product before selling prevents negative feedback later. Consistency is important because customers expect the same quality every time they order. A strong reputation begins with careful craftsmanship. Creating a brand identity helps your shop look professional and memorable. This includes choosing a shop name, logo style, color theme, and overall mood that matches your products. A clear brand helps customers remember you and return for future purchases. Your shop banner and product photos should feel connected visually. Branding does not need to be complicated, but it should feel intentional and consistent. Over time, this identity becomes part of your business value. Product photography is one of the most important parts of selling online. Clear lighting, simple backgrounds, and natural colors help customers see the product accurately. Photos should show multiple angles and demonstrate size or usage when possible. Many successful sellers use natural daylight instead of strong artificial lighting. Clean images build trust and reduce confusion before purchase. Good photography can often make a simple product look premium. Writing product titles and descriptions requires clarity rather than complicated language. Customers should quickly understand what the item is, how it is made, and what makes it special. Include important details such as size, materials, and care instructions. Honest descriptions reduce returns and increase customer satisfaction. Try to answer common questions directly in the description. Clear communication saves time for both seller and buyer. Pricing handmade products can feel challenging at first. Many beginners forget to include material costs, time spent creating, packaging, and platform fees. Pricing too low may attract buyers initially, but can lead to burnout later. A fair price reflects effort, creativity, and quality. Customers who value handmade work usually understand reasonable pricing. Finding balance between profit and competitiveness takes practice and adjustment. Setting up your shop properly creates a strong first impression. Fill out your shop policies, shipping information, and return guidelines clearly. Customers feel more comfortable buying when expectations are explained in advance. Transparency helps avoid misunderstandings after purchase. A complete shop profile also builds trust with new visitors. Professional presentation encourages repeat customers. Search visibility is important for online marketplaces. Using clear keywords in titles and descriptions helps buyers discover your products naturally. Think about what a customer would type when searching for your item. Avoid misleading words and focus on accuracy instead. Over time, learning how customers search helps improve visibility. Patience is important because growth usually happens gradually. Customer service has a strong influence on long-term success. Responding politely and quickly to messages shows professionalism and care. Even when problems arise, respectful communication can turn a negative situation into a positive experience. Buyers remember how they are treated, not just what they purchased. Good service often leads to positive reviews and recommendations. Building relationships with customers strengthens your brand. Packaging is another area where handmade sellers can stand out. Thoughtful packaging makes customers feel appreciated and adds value to the purchase. Simple touches like thank you notes or protective wrapping improve the unboxing experience. Packaging should also protect items during shipping to prevent damage. A positive first impression encourages customers to share their experience online. Word of mouth remains powerful in handmade businesses. Expanding your product range should happen gradually. Adding to many items at once can reduce focus and quality. Observe which products perform well before introducing new variations. Listening to customer requests can also inspire new ideas. Growth should feel natural rather than rushed. A focused shop often performs better than a crowded one. Understanding marketplace fees and expenses helps maintain profitability. Every sale includes platform fees, payment processing costs, and shipping expenses. Tracking these numbers prevents surprises later. Many sellers keep simple records to monitor income and spending. Financial awareness supports long-term stability. Treating your shop like a business encourages responsible decisions. Building trust takes time, especially for new sellers without reviews. Consistency in quality, communication, and delivery gradually creates credibility. Customers often return when they feel confident in a seller's reliability. Small improvements made regularly lead to noticeable growth. Patience plays a major role in handmade success. Progress usually comes step by step. Learning from other successful handmade sellers can provide inspiration. Observing presentation styles, branding approaches, and customer interaction offers useful lessons. The goal is not imitation, but understanding what works in the marketplace. Every seller develops a unique voice over time. Staying open to learning keeps your business evolving. Adaptation helps you remain competitive. Photography, branding, and storytelling together create emotional connection with buyers. Handmade products often carry personal meaning, especially when given as gifts. Sharing the inspiration behind your creations adds depth to your shop. Customers enjoy knowing the story behind what they purchase. Authentic storytelling builds loyalty beyond a single sale. Connection often matters as much as product quality. As your shop grows, consider improving efficiency through better tools or workspace organization. Simple improvements in workflow can save hours each week. Investing in quality materials or equipment may improve consistency. Growth should support sustainability rather than increase stress. A balanced approach keeps the business enjoyable. Long-term success depends on maintaining passion for creation. Finally, remember that every successful handmade seller started as a beginner. Mistakes are part of learning, and improvement comes through experience. Focus on steady progress instead of instant results. Celebrate small milestones and keep refining your process. Creativity combined with patience often leads to meaningful success. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel. Like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section.